Okay, visual text. For PSLE visual text, there's two kinds of comprehension: open-ended, where you write the answer by yourself, right? And another kind of comprehension is called visual text. Visual is something that you can see with your eyes, right? And that is like a poster, an advertisement, or an event. Okay, there'll be 8 questions. Okay, usually asking you true or false, right? 8 questions, and it is 8 marks because each of them is 1 mark, right? Vocabulary cloze, that are only 1 for PSLE, not 2. We're practicing 2 today. Okay, it's 5 marks or 5 questions, 5 marks. So each of them is 1 mark. Okay, and of course, synthesis and transformation, everyone's favorite. It is 10 marks. And it's 5 questions. So each question is 2 marks. So this is the one that is very tricky because each of them is 2 marks. Okay, so pay attention to this. All the colors are nice. Yes, thank you, Miko. Okay, let's start with visual text. So I'm assuming, okay, I know some of you have not looked at the visual text for today. So look at the visual text. Try your best to do your tutorial before class, okay? Because I don't want to spend time like you all have read tutorial 6. So every tutorial, this tutorial 6, right? So always go to your live tutorial, look at the week. So this is week 6. So do the worksheet before class so that you don't waste time in class reading the whole thing. So here, McRitchie, anyone has gone to McRitchie before? No one has gone to McRitchie Reservoir? Haven't you all gone to the treetop walk? It's like very high and you can breathe in fresh air. No one? And there's so many fruit monkeys there. I love to go to McRitchie. I like to go and hike there. And there's many trails there. I think in primary school, P5 or P6 or secondary school, you will actually go there to run. One of your runs will be there. I went there for school as well when I was a student. So yes, if you can go to McRitchie, it's very fun. It's in nature. So here is a McRitchie School of Dancing. They are presenting Dance of Hope, which means they are the organizer. McRitchie School of Dancing, because they're presenting something. So they're the presenter. Now, question, very important, different sections of the visual text. So this one is important because it tells you the pricing according to whether you're buying it early or whether you're buying it late. So early bird price, meaning you're buying it like the earlier week, okay? Then after that, for example, 16 February onwards is the late end or towards, because it's very close to the 17 March, right? So it's very close to the actual date. So the pricing is more expensive. So you need to look carefully, okay? If the person is ordering, ask you, if he's ordering on 14 February, obviously you must look at the early bird price, right? If you're ordering after 16, you look at the regular price, okay? Tickets, where are they sold? Okay, who to call? Enquiries means if you have any questions, right? Enquiry, who do I call? Who do I approach? Okay, what's a souvenir? Anyone can tell me what's a souvenir? Yes, Abir?
Gifts.
Yes, gifts, but specific gifts that you buy when you travel to a place and you want someone to remember that event, right? Remember that place. So you say, okay, this souvenir, I'm buying this so that you can. So if you go overseas, you always buy, usually people buy souvenirs for your friends and your family because that is just a remembrance of that place, right? So that's a souvenir, not just any kind of gift, right? So, and also the guests of honor. Guests of honor are people who actually come in specifically, okay, to watch your show, okay? So all of that. So I'm assuming you've all read this. So let's look at the first question. Main aim. PSLE love to ask this question. Main aim is asking you for the most important reason. I'm writing short form, okay? Most important reason. Most important reason of the flyer. The flyer is the pamphlet, the paper, okay? We saw the visual text. So the flyer. What is the most important reason of the flyer? So they're asking you which one is true. Is A true, B true, C true, or D true? So you always check and eliminate the ones that are wrong by putting a cross first. Teach people about ballot. Is that true? Yes, I see you shaking your head. No. Encourage people to come and meet the guests of honor. Is that true? Is that why you have a flyer? No. Okay. Promote McRitchie School of Dancing. Is that true? They are the organizer. But are they trying to promote them? Is that the reason why they have this event? No, right? So the answer is A, because you want to inform people about the fundraising. So obviously in real life, you're not going to just look and cross. You're going to check with the passage. Look at whether they mention anything about teaching about ballot. Look at whether they mention anything about promoting all these things, right? Then you cross until you get the final answer. This is called elimination method. So always try this method so you know, confirm, definitely you got the answer right. Okay, you don't want to lose any marks. For 8, you want to get full marks. Oh, thank you. My handwriting is actually very messy now, but thank you for thinking it's nice. Okay. Passage 2. Question 2. Based on the flyer, which one of the following is not true? So they're asking you for which one is false. Okay, so the ones that are true cannot be the answer. So which one, A, B, C, or D, which one is false? Okay, the concert is organized by McRitchie School of Dance. Is this true? It is true, right? It is true. So this one is a tick, because you're looking for false means you're looking for the answer is cross. Because if you look at the passage, I mean, if you look at the flyer, where is my flyer? You see, McRitchie School of Dancing presents. So they are the organizer. So this is true. I'm writing T for true, okay? So it cannot be the answer. That's why I put a tick. The concert will be held at McRitchie Theatre. This is also true, right? You see, venue, McRitchie Theatre. So it's true. So it cannot be the answer as well. Oh, very much. So this one is true. So it's a tick. So looking at false, meaning the cross. There are two ways through which people can purchase tickets to watch the dance concert. Is this true? Two ways. Yes, you can either buy the tickets at the office, right? Or visit online. So you can, there's two ways of buying the thing. So it's true. So again, it's true. So this one is also, wrong question, sorry. So it's also true. So the only one that's left is this one. 2 performances will be held. There is no mention of two performances. Did anybody raise your hand? Did someone raise your hand? No one? Okay, yes. So this one is, A is true. So A is the one that is not true, right? So next one, number 3. Tell me the answer, someone. Raise your hand and give me the answer. Besides buying a ticket for the ballad concert, one could help raise funds for. So if I want to help raise funds, what can I do? Yes, Abir?
Purchasing items from the souvenir booth.
Yes, very good. The answer is B. They're asking for which one is true, right? So the answer is B. B is the one that is true. This one is false, because if you buy early bird tickets, if you look at the pricing, the early bird tickets are cheaper. That's why it's called early bird pricing. So by buying a cheaper ticket, you're not helping to promote. It's still cheap, right? Unless you buy the expensive on the regular tickets. So yes, so that's why A is wrong, right? Visiting the Dance of Hope website, what if you visit there and you donate, then sure, but just visiting the site doesn't help by any way. So this is also not true. And calling this number, unless you're saying I want to donate, then yes, but just calling the number doesn't do anything. So it's not true. So the answer is B. Very good. And looking at which one of the answers here is true. So always remember, they're always asking you for true or false, okay, for visual text. Number 3. Keyword here, 16 February. So you look at the pricing, you must look at 16 February, and he's buying a family of 4 tickets. Yes, Rohan?
The answer is D.
Yes, very good. Why is the answer D and not A?
Because we can see in the text, they gave regular ticket sale 16 February to end of the contract, and he's buying a family of
of 4. So there's 2 family of 4. One is before 15 February, the ticket is $5 cheaper, 75, right? After that is $80. So you have to look. Yes, someone is circling. Yes, thank you, Rohan. Very good. Give yourself a point, Rohan. So very good. Sorry, give yourself 2 points. 1 point for explaining to me and 1 point for the answer. So this is the answer. They're asking which one is true. So this one is true. Everything else is false. Okay. Yes, Deepa, what's your hand up?
But when I took the printer, how come my one says 16 January instead of February?
Yes, there's a mistake. So I think you printed it before they changed it. So there's a mistake. It's supposed to be 16 February. So you can cancel it and write February.
I just printed it 5 minutes ago.
Oh, really? 5 minutes ago you printed it? Okay, I will
Yeah,
let
I printed it before the class started.
Okay. I will let the technical teacher in charge know, okay? Okay, so for now, you just write in your pen, it's supposed to be 16 February, not 15 January. Okay, so these are the answers for the visual text. Well done, all of you. Now, somebody else choose for me the color. Who wants to choose a color? Yes, Ariano, what color do you want? Later, I'll ask Adipa. Okay, I saw your hand up. Yes, Ariano? Nicole is writing. Hello, Nicole. Oh, since you already chose your color, so Ariana, which color do you want? Can you unmute yourself and tell me in 10 seconds? Are you typing something or what are you doing?
Dark red, that one.
Oh, dark red. Okay, thank you for.
Rainbow.
Yes, this one. Okay, thank you. This one is red and black. If you notice, there's bits of black inside, so it's a mixture. It's a very nice color. Yes. Okay. Thank you, Ariano. So let's use this color. And Nico, why do you keep scribbling on my screen and you're distracting everybody? Try not to write on the screen unless it is your turn. See, my screen is messy again. Please clear your drawings. Okay, vocabulary set 1. Remember, 5 marks, 5 questions. Let's look at the first set. Okay, so basically for vocabulary, right, you're supposed to write the letter, right? The correct letter. But when you're doing it, try and do in pencil. Write the letter as well as the answer, because I tell you what, sometimes the kids, they write the wrong letter and then, oh no, I know the answer, but I wrote the wrong letter. So it's good to check, right? So write in pencil first, write the letter with the answer in pencil. Then later at the end, you can erase and write in pen. And after use the word cancel it, so you know which one's left and you can try and filling in the blanks. Okay, what animal is this? Anybody? Anyone knows? Use the reaction button. You're raising your hand physically. Try and use the reaction button to raise your hand because I cannot see you. Yes, Ariano?
A pig.
It's a boar. It's a boar. Now, what's the difference between a boar and a pig? Very good. Give that a point for trying. A boar is a wild pig. It is bigger and it also has a tusk. Okay, you can't really see in a picture, but a boar has a tusk, like a teeth sticking out. Okay, so this is a wild pig. It's bigger. Okay, it is darker, and it's also sometimes it's castrated. They actually remove the private parts because humans are horrible. But yes, Rohan, hands up.
Is it a pig?
Yes, it is a wild pig, and it's referring to a male. A female is called something else. You can go and find out. But a boar only refers to a male. Okay, yes, in Pulau Ubin. Okay, Nicole, please clean my screen and don't stop writing, please. Thank you. I'm going to say this last time. No more writing unless...
I never write that.
Oh, okay. Somebody else, don't stop writing. Okay, give me the answer for number 5 and tell me why. By the way, before that, we have learned this word. Anybody can tell me what's the meaning of this word? I have taught you this word. It's a synonym for the word something. Who remembers what are synonyms? Anyone remembers what are synonyms? Yes, Deepa. Money.
Synonyms are when two words have the same meaning.
Very good. So aesthetic is a synonym. Give it a point. Aesthetic is a synonym for which word? Ariano? Ariano? Yes, I saw your hand raised, Ariano. What is the answer, Ariano?
It was raised just now.
Oh, it was raised just now. Okay, so who wants to answer? Aesthetic, what does it mean? No one? We learned this. We learned 3 words that mean happy, right? Aesthetic, exhilarated, and elated. So aesthetic means very happy or excited. Very happy and very excited. Okay, so that's the meaning of aesthetic that we have learned. Okay, now question 5. So the reason why I showed you a wild boar is because that's what this passage is about, right? So tell me the answer and tell me the clue. Why is that the answer? Anybody? Anyone? No one? No one at all? That is so sad. Yes, Abir? Abir, you need to unmute yourself. I cannot hear you if you're speaking.
I'm writing.
You're writing? Where are you writing? Oh, you're writing. Okay, you can even type if you don't want to write, but yes, you can write. So you're writing the answer. Thank you. Yes, the answer is B. Very good. Can you tell me why is the answer B, Abir? Why is it notice? Yes, something ahead of the car. Very good. Give yourself 2 points. Now take note of this. Whenever you have did, okay, which is a verb in the sentence, right? Did is already in past tense, right? It's already in past tense. It tells you that something is already over. The verb here again, okay, even though notice is a verb, do you notice that it's not noticed? It's just noticed without an ed, because you're already using the verb here, did. That's why, okay. That is the reason why, because it's a helping verb. This helping verb is already in past tense. You cannot have 2 verbs that follow did. So every time, remember, when I use did in a sentence, the second verb will always be in present tense. So did not notice. Okay, did not noticed. Okay, very good, because of the clue is here. Number 6, who wants to try? Okay, Nico, go. What is the answer? And yes, I always write over your handwriting because when you change screen, your handwriting is gone. That's why I'm writing it over it, okay? Yes, the answer is E. Very good. Tell me why. What is the clue?